Good morning, Vietnam. I'm just stopping at the local motorbike repair shop to get a quick motor oil change and gear oil change. I'm getting ready to head out to this waterfall about an hour outside of Saigon. Kind of funny, that chicken keeps on trying to bother the mechanic while he's changing my oil. Alright, he's finished with my oil change and here we go. Right up there is the Saigon Metrorail. This is the very end of the loop, and the building on the left is the main station. Construction for this thing started in 2012. It was supposed to finish in 2018, but they keep pushing it back. Now they're saying it's going to be up and running in 2021, I guess. We'll see if that actually happens. Let's stop and take a look at it. I'm currently about 25 minutes into my motorbike journey. This place is about, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes after Sweet Tien Amusement Park. Believe it or not, this is actually the route Google Maps took me on. Really nice road, right? Man, get me off this crappy road. Getting ready to get back up on the highway here. Let's see if there's any traffic. For the last 3 or 4 miles, it's been nothing but miles and miles of non-stop construction equipment. I don't think I've ever seen so much construction equipment in my life. This is just one of the construction lots. There's probably 30 or 40 lots before I stopped at this one. Bunch of cranes over on the other side. That is the Dong Nai River down there, and I'm getting ready to cross over into the Dong Nai province. You can see the port down there. I think that is a bunch of shipping containers and shipping boats coming in. I'm about an hour outside of Ho Chi Minh City, and I haven't seen anything for miles. Finally, I'm almost here. About an hour and 20 minutes from District 9. Hello. I'm looking for the waterfall. Waterfall? That way? Okay, thank you. Even though I had a picture of the waterfall outside, it wasn't the right entrance. It's the next one up. This must be it, right? Damn, that waterfall looks nice as hell in the photo. I hope it's that nice when I get inside. Weird. There are hardly any motorbikes inside the parking lot. I hope this is the right place. Okay. Damn, I can't believe how empty it is here. I mean, I don't know if it's because of the coronavirus outbreak or what, but there's nobody here. I must be looking like a total tool bag to anyone who's watching me, with my camera propped up on my shoulder. Alright, I finally made it. It looks pretty promising so far. It's super clean. I can see the river down there on the left. I have no idea where I'm going or where the waterfall is, but let's go. Hello. How about you, Tim? Come on. I guess that lady was a little bit camera shy. She didn't want to talk much. But the admission was 80,000 Vietnam Dong Monday through Friday and 100,000 Vietnam Dong on Saturday and Sunday. 100,000 Vietnam Dong is about $4.50. So it's pretty affordable. Alright, let's go find this waterfall. Hey, how'd that guy get his motorbike inside? Wonder if I can park my motorbike in here, or ride up in here for free. I can see the water down here. Let's go have a look. It looks pretty nice. Wow, this place looks nice and clean so far. No litter or trash. Wow, a few other people. At least I'm not the only person in this whole entire park. Hello. I'm not sure why they need a ticket booth and then an entrance booth. I don't know why they just don't have one person take the money and let you go right through. Seems like a waste of labor, waste of paper, and waste of time to do that process 2 times. I'm here on a Friday morning. Maybe it gets real busy on the weekend. This place is pretty massive. I guess I'll just keep on following this river till I get to the waterfall. I really have no idea where it is. Where are you, waterfall? Still no waterfall. Treacherous hiking in the jungle. I'm about 10 minutes into my walk now. This bridge is pretty neat. Everything in this park is like super clean. Very well maintained. I'm really impressed. Nice. I can hear the current picking up in the river up ahead. Maybe I'm getting a little bit close to the waterfall now. Nope. Still doesn't look like the waterfall. Shit, I just hit my camera on that tree. The current is really starting to pick up in that river over there, but no sign of the waterfall yet. Wonder how much farther it's going to be. I haven't even seen a single person to ask yet. What the hell is this? The zombie apocalypse? Man, there's nobody here. It'd be a good place to film one of those movies. I'm about 20 minutes into my walk. It's getting a little bit boring walking down by the river. I'm going to see if there's anything else up on the other side. Looks like there's a lake over there. I'm not sure what's over there. Let's go have a look. It looks like they have some kind of pedal boats over there, but it's closed. There's nobody there to rent them. Definitely recommend coming to this place on the weekend, guys. I think it'd be a lot busier than it would be today if you want to try some of the activities and rent the boats and that type of stuff. It's also not that bad having the place to yourself as well. I'm not sure what this wheel thing is supposed to do. It looks like those tubes are supposed to fill with water, and then it should just keep spinning once you get it going. I'm not really sure which way to spin it to make it work. Well, it's not that way. Let's give the other way a whirl. I think this is the right way, but it doesn't seem to work still. Let me know in the comments if you know how to make that wheel work. I give up. Let's soldier on and try and find this waterfall. This is the real estate center. Just outside the park, they have a big giant condo complex with some high-end condos for sale. Again, there isn't anybody here and the place is totally deserted. In the center here, they have a model of the condo complex. Pearl Riverside, I guess it's called. That was the entrance I pulled in to when I first came to the park, when I went to the wrong one. It'd be a lot better if they had a ping pong club in there instead of that real estate center. It'd be a hell of a lot more fun. Over on the right there, it looks like the campground. I want to hurry up and get to the waterfall, so I'll check that out on the way out of the park. I'm going to start jogging so I can actually get there before the park closes. It'd be pretty nice if these trains were actually running. I wouldn't mind having a ride directly to the waterfall. Up here they have some type of a fish massage place. I've never tried this stuff before. Anybody watching tried fish massage? Let me know in the comments if you have. At least this one is actually open. This train actually looks pretty good. Too bad it's not open. Bicycles for rent, also not open. I don't see anybody around. Alright, found the pool. Looks pretty good. Lounge chairs, some slides and stuff. Yeah, it looks pretty good, honestly. I have to give it a try. Nah, I'd rather go look for the waterfall. Where are you, waterfall? This old man is getting tired of walking. Little cafe here by the pool. They have some beer and stuff for sale. That doesn't sound too bad. I can hear the sound of water picking up in the background. I must be getting pretty close to the waterfall now. Oh yeah, I can hear it right down there. Wow guys, this is really nice. I can't believe how nice this is. Yes, there it is right there. Woohoo, I finally found it. Shit, this is nice. Let's go try and find a place to get in the water. This bridge is pretty cool. Nice view. I have the whole place to myself. I can't believe it, nobody here. My parents were just here a few months ago. I wish I would have known about this place. I would have brought them here. They really would have liked it. Maybe I'm the only one dumb enough to come out here during coronavirus. Maybe that's why it's so empty. Where can I get in the water? Not sure what those prices on there are. Anybody know what that is? I should be able to get in the water over here. Yeah, this looks like a good place. Alright, let's try to get a closer look. Wow, look how much water is coming off of those falls. I saw online that they do actually let you swim all the way up to the waterfall. You can get in there and go all the way to right to the edge. I'm gonna try and do that. Alright guys, here we go. Wish me luck. The water's not bad. I thought it was going to be a lot colder. Wow, it's slippery. It's really slippery. I don't know if you can see it, but there was a fish there, it just swam away. Big ass fish. Oh. Wow, they won't let me swim. That guy just told me I'm not allowed to go in unless I have a life vest on. I'm not sure where to get a life vest. You're supposed to get the life vest over there, but it's closed. So I guess I have to come back another time if I want to go in any further. Straight ahead is that Pearl Riverside condo complex. There's still a few more things here to see. Over on the right they have a playground area for the kids. A bunch of swings and small basketball hoop and stuff like that. I'm not sure what this is up here. Let's take a look. Looks like some carnival games. I don't really feel like carrying this stuff around with me all day. Maybe I'll try it next time I come. Maybe it'd be a good idea to bring my dog and my girlfriend next time and try and get a condo over there in that Pearl Riverside for the weekend. Might be kind of fun. I'll have to check on Airbnb and see if they have any for rent. You can see some more kids' playground stuff over there, slides and swings and whatnot. It looks like the restaurant is over across the way. Let's go take a look. Once again, it looks closed. It's all locked up, nobody inside. All the lights are off. I'm actually up above the waterfall now. The waterfall's down there to the left, way down at the bottom of that hill. The restaurant has tons and tons of outdoor and indoor seating. You could probably have a big party here. It might actually be a cool place to have like a wedding or something. That's the waterfall right there dead ahead. You can see it through those trees. And here's the river up current from the waterfall. This place is actually massive. You could probably walk for 3 or 4 hours. I'm just going to show you a few more things before I wrap up the video. There's a whole bunch of neat bridges like this that go over the river at different points. You can get a lot of different views. Shit, did it again. I have this Insta360 1X camera, and it has a really long invisible selfie stick, so you can do stuff like this. You can get some pretty cool shots that you can't get with a normal camera. I'm honestly just scratching the surface of what you can do with it. I mean, look at all this seating they have here. And you could have an event for hundreds of people. Goodbye, waterfall. I came across this garden that was pretty nice when I was wandering around. Alright, this is the last thing before I sign off. Let's take a quick look at the campground. Let's try and see if we can go inside one of these tents. Hope there's nobody in here. Damn, it's locked. Wonder what they have inside. I see some cabins over here that look like they're up on stilts. Maybe we can get a look at one of those. Interesting. I wonder if they're going to be nice on the inside. They don't have that many of them. All right, let's investigate. Pretty basic. I don't see much more than a bed and a little table. Look like they have a mosquito net. I'd be interested if it had air conditioning and a bathroom with hot water and a hot shower. I'm not really all that into camping, to be honest. Especially when you can get a super nice hotel in Vietnam for like 10 or 15 bucks. There's no need to go camping. I was going to sign off after the campground, but I found this little hut on the way out. I'm not sure what this thing is. I see a bunch of gongs outside. It looks like this hut is just for a show. I don't think you can even go inside. The front of it's all blocked off. They must not use it for anything. Alright, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching till the end, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you on the next one.